Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be setting up, unboxing, and reviewing Emmeline from Spirit Halloween, or Emmeline if you want to call it that. I'm not really sure what most people decide to call it, but this prop is just amazing. It's the best from Spirit Halloween this year, no doubt. Darling Dolly is a close second though, but I'm not actually seeing this prop set up and like used in stores yet. I've only seen the audio and lights on it. So I've never seen this prop actually lunge out yet. So this is gonna be my first time seeing this all in person. Yeah, there's not much to say about this box. The box is just very simple. And then Emmeline's story here. I'll flip the box around so you can see it. This is Emmeline's story if you want to read that. I don't know if you can actually read that. It might be a little bit too far away. But, Emmeline took over her family's South Carolina farm in 1813 after a tragic thresher accident. That's 100% reference to Thresher, the animatronic, the walkthrough. Or maybe it's a piece of farm equipment. I'm not really sure. But either way, let's unbox this prop and get it set up for all yous to see, and for me to see for the first time in action. So this is what it looks like when you pull Emmeline out of the box. You can see her full body and head here is all attached. The hands are soft and, won't hurt anybody if they hit anybody, luckily. Then you have the poles over to the side here, the base behind her, the mechanism. So yeah, we also have the instructions over here with all the sandbags and the adapter and everything. Okay, so here is all of the pieces for Emmeline. I'm just getting everything sorted out here for her right now. We have lots of the white poles here for her, all the parts of the mechanism. We have some of the hardware with the cotter pins, the wire clips, all like that, the sandbags. We have her white clothing dress that goes over the mechanism, not the one that's on her right now. We have her instructions as well as the adapter. We have a piece of the mechanism here, the main part of the mechanism. Over here we have the huge base. As you can see, I just zoomed out a bit here. The base is just absolutely massive. And then over here we have the main part, obviously, Emmeline herself. Okay, so the first step for this prop is to attach the part C with the mechanism to the pole right here. Okay, so I'm going to attach the spring here, yellow to yellow. Now, next up I'm going to attach part O, which is the part that has the rest on it. So for the mechanism, so when the mechanism rests, so it does not get hurt or overextend. You're going to want to attach both of these support poles here and make sure that those are attached with cotter pins later on. So next up, you're going to want to attach pole F to part F down on the base. There we go, that's attached. So here we have a part of the scissor mechanism, and you're going to want to attach G to G right back here on the pole that we just attached. Then you're going to want to bring each pole forward and attach it right here to the H pole right here, which this builds the scissor mechanism up. While I still can, I'm going to attach the adapter to the control box. Next up, I'm going to attach J to J for the smaller white pole right here. Like so. And then finally, for the last of the little white poles you have to assemble, you're going to want to put on the I pole. It is hard to get all of this in camera focus. we go. The eye pole is now attached. The next step for this prop is to put the whole white skirt on, and you have to make sure you put this on the right way, as I'm not really sure which is the right way. Hoping this is, but we'll see. Next up, we have Emmeline's body without her arms, as her arms do attach separately, I figured out. So let's put this on, and then we'll put her arms on. So pretty much the final step to this prop is putting on the two arms. So to attach both arms, you're just gonna want to feed them up through the sleeves like this. There's some padding in there. And then there is a little metal square piece that you put the arms into. So off camera real quickly, I'm going to do that, as this guy's getting pretty tall to do any videos with. Emmeline is now fully set up and ready to go demo. So let's wait till nighttime, take her out to my graveyard, and figure out where I'm going to place her and go demo her. Okay, everyone, so that is Emmeline, and this is recorded far later after this video has been recorded, as this was recorded in October, and I'm saying this now in March. This prop is amazing, but it has its faults. It seems if it's not a completely flat surface, this will get caught up and not completely lunge out at some points. I had some troubles getting it to lunge out at some points. Again, it could be the terrain that it was on. Amazing prop, 100% worth the money. An amazing jump scare, got everyone who looked at it. If anybody walked by this thing, they got jump scared. It was amazing. I really hope this prop gets reskinned into some other forms. I'm not sure how much this costs off the top of my head now, as it's been a while since I bought it. But go out, try to find this prop if it does not come back. I'm assuming it will come back, though. So go to Spirit Halloween, find this prop when the season comes again, as I just know Spirit Halloween's going to hit it out of the park again this year, as is Home Depot and Lowe's right now. I'll have videos out on them very soon, if not already. And I will see you guys all in those videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.